Hey guys, I got this product to review and the first thing I noticed about it is the packaging. I don't even have to wrap this if I really don't want to. It's got such a nice package on it. You can just put it right under the Christmas tree or hand it to them for a birthday gift. The first thing in here is some really cool designs. I love the vibrant colors on here, and I love the different creativity on the designs. So this gift or this product is perfect for boys and girls. This is the LED board that it comes with. These colors are so vibrant as well. This is a spray bottle to add water into, and it's really nice. It actually comes with this great cloth here to erase the board. Here is a marker holder, which is really nice. It's also magnetized. So here's the power adapter. It also comes with these white gloves so that you're not getting your fingerprints all over the LED board. It comes with a hook so that you can actually hook the LED board after you've created something. If you'd like to, you can just hang it on here and hook it as well. They come with a little chain to also hang things. And then these are the two stands that'll go on the bottom of the LED board. So now that we have it all set up, to turn it on, you are just going to hold the middle piece here for about 3 seconds. To make it less bright, you're going to hit the minus button. To make it more bright, you will hit the plus button. To change the modes on here, you're just going to hit the power button in the middle. There is 8 different colors it is going to go through. And it changes, and it goes to a light mode of flashing, faster, and then it changes through a multitude of colors. Go ahead and just put your picture or design right behind here, and all you're going to do then is go ahead and trace it in color as you want. So as you guys can see, the LED on here makes the color of these markers just pop, and it's so fun. The different colors as you use them will show up differently with each LED color. In order to clean it, you're just going to use this little spray bottle. You're just going to spray it right on the board. You'll use your cloth that's provided and just wipe it off. These are the holes that you can use here and here to go ahead and hang them on the wall. Strips here are called nano strip mounting. Now, if you wanted, you can hang this whole board up. These are going to go on the bottom here so that you can actually mount these. If you want it to stay, you can mount these right to your surface so this won't move, which is really nice if you want to keep it in the same spot.